My name is Patricia. We're gonna make a hot sauce today. And here we have the ingredients for the hot sauce. It's really easy. We just need to do a 4-step. So we have to cut the onion. Not too big, like this. And then we fry the onion, the garlic, and the peppers. And then when we fry this, we put it in the blender. And then we add the carrot and the pepper and the apple cider vinegar. You can eat this with chips. You can eat this with fish taco. You can eat this with your breakfast, whatever you want. Or like this, guys, with nothing.
Let's try out, Brian. So good.
Ay, qué muere.